Calculation of gas volume using the mole concept. Carbon monoxide, carbon oxygen. 6 is the atomic number of carbon, 12 is the mass number of carbon, 8 is the atomic number of oxygen, 16 is the mass number of oxygen. So in total the mass number of carbon monoxide is equal to 28. 28. This 28 has to be converted into gram. When you write gram, that is called moles. You have to memorize any mass number when imagine in gram, that is called moles. Please memorize any mass number when imagine in gram, that is called moles. Fine. So we have got moles of carbon dioxide is 28 gram. You have to believe this is the first part of our calculation. This is also given in the laboratory. Science means laboratory, proven everything. In science there is no imagination. Everything is laboratorically proven, systematically proven. Fine. My target is now, the given mass. Given mass is 10 is given. Are you watching? 10 is given. And moles number is 28. Why we are dividing? Because this is the given formula. Numbers of moles is equal to given mass divided by MR. This is moles at the same time relative molecular mass. Don't mix up. I'm again telling. First of all, from carbon monoxide we have got mass number. Finally we have added and we got 28 MR. MR mean relative molecular mass. Simply you need to believe that mass number is given upside, atomic number is given downside in the periodic table. And this 28 is the MR, relative molecular mass. At the same time this 28 also moles. And again in the second stage you have to memorize that numbers of moles is equal to given mass divided by numbers MR, molecular mass, or mass of 1 moles. Yes, mass of 1 moles. Fine. So what is the formula? Numbers of moles is equal to given mass divided by mass of 1 moles. This is the mass of 1 moles. Definitely this is 1 moles we are discussing. From there we get numbers of moles is equal to 3.57. 3.57. This is the second stage. In your brain you need to penetrate one thing. If you get numbers of moles into molar volume 24. There are two types of molar volume, 24 decicubic meter and 24,000 cubic centimeter. What is exactly molar volume? Any gas occupy 24 decicubic meter area, and this is called molar volume. Okay? And what is molar volume? If molar volume will be multiplied with the numbers of moles is equal to volume of gas. So we are entering into the third formula. Volume of any gas is equal to numbers of moles into molar volume. molar volume. Volume of any gas is equal to numbers of moles. Yes, this is the numbers of moles. You have to memorize. Basically, you have to memorize. Volume of any gas is equal to numbers of moles into molar volume. Molar volume always 24 decicubic meter, 24,000 cubic centimeter. Memorize. So this 3.7 is the numbers of moles and 24. So finally you will get that has to be multiplied 8.57 decicubic meter. Clear? The decicubic meter. Again I am telling, in the first stage we have got mass of 1 mole. Mass of 1 mole. In the second stage, as we know that numbers of moles is equal to given mass. This is the given mass of carbon monoxide. Given mass divided by mass of 1 mole. Then we have got numbers of moles. Yes? Numbers of moles when will be multiplied by molar volume in 24, always definite, constant. After every discovery, World Scientist Forum justified the issue through the laboratory experiment, then the name would be declared. Newton, definitely Newton. Force unit is Newton in the name of scientist Newton. Why? Because this is approved, acknowledged by the world scientist community. So this is proven, this formula is proven, this formula is proven. This is not imaginative. This is not my dialogue. This is the dialogue from the scientific discovery. So numbers of moles is equal to given mass divided by mass of 1 mole, you will get the numbers of moles. Numbers of moles into 24 decicubic meter, you will get the volume of gas. Okay? And we have completed our assignment. This is the volume of gas. Okay, I'm not going further. Thank you.